Hey everyone, Connor Asher here. I hope you are all doing well. I wanted to come on here live and share an exciting project that I'm working on. Some of you might have seen some posts already through stories and just on the page in general about this new exciting project I'm working on with Swazzle Puppet Company. So let me talk a little bit about that. Open the box! Yes! So there was a very large box that came today that has some exciting things in it. I'm going to open it and show what everybody worked on so far and say a little bit about what my contribution is going to be. For those of you who haven't seen it yet, I'm working with these wonderful people all from across the country. They are all fantastic puppet builders. For a project to benefit the Puppeteers of America's Direct Relief Fund. If you follow along this hashtag, Puppet Chain Letter, you can see the progress of the build. So far, it has gone to 3 different builders. I'm the 4th in the line of, let me double check. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like 9-10 people. So it's exciting, but let's get into it. So each builder is working on a certain step and process of the puppet, and together, just like a normal chain letter, we are going to build a completed puppet, and this puppet is going to be auctioned off, and whatever money that puppet makes gets all of the proceeds go to the Puppeteers of America's Direct Relief Fund. So Swazzle Puppet Studio already worked on the mouth palette. That went to Jamie, who built an amazing head. I'm excited to see that in person. And Adam, who just made the body. And tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I will be working on the arms and hands. I have some ideas what it's gonna look like, but we'll see where things go. This is my first time seeing it in person, so let's check it out together and open up this box. You guys excited? This came earlier this afternoon, so I'm excited to see what's in it. I know some of the things because I have followed along and seen what everybody's been doing so far, but I know that Adam did leave something in here for me. I have no idea what it is yet, so let's find out what it is. Oh wow. First off, this box is huge, but it makes sense because we have no idea how big this puppet is going to get. So, oh my goodness. This is great. So, first, gosh, this is great. Wow. So, this is the wonderful body that Adam made. That looks terrific. It's all black painted on the inside. That looks super sharp. Let's see, here we are. And here is the head and mouth palette by Jamie and Swazzle. Wow. That's terrific. All right. And let's double check everything else that's in the box. We have this here, which is the certificate of authenticity. Every builder gets to sign it, and then whoever buys the puppet in the end gets to keep this as proof that all of us worked on it in some capacity. Oh, awesome. Wow. So Adam sent me these eyes here. I have no idea. Wow. I have no idea what this material is, but this is cool. Thanks, Adam. I'm going to message you about that. This is great. And that is it for now. So, cool. I will put this somewhere safe so I can sign it later. You'll see it all. Great. Okay. Well, for me, I want to try this puppet out and see how it feels and looks so far and start getting some ideas. I already have some ideas for what the eyes, I mean, not the eyes, the arms and hands are going to look like, but I'm going to start drawing and sketching out some ideas tonight. And tomorrow at 3, I'll go live for a little bit and share a bit of that process. So, oh, that's great. Let's see. Oh, that's really nice. Yeah, Patrick and Sean did a really nice job with that mouth palette. That's really comfortable. Head is super lightweight and it can be anything right now. And same with the body as well. I really like the pot belly. So, who knows? It can be anything. I do have some arms and hands around. I don't think I'm going to use these. I think I'm going to make something new from scratch, but just to get an idea of what we can do. I think I want to do thick, kind of beefy hands with some pointers, but we'll see. If you guys have any ideas for what the arms and hands can be, leave them below and we'll see how that looks. But anyway, this is wonderful. I'm excited to see where this project goes. I'll be live tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to work a bit on this project. If you guys have any questions about this, reach out or go to Swazzle Puppet Studio or follow the hashtag Puppet Chain Letter to learn more. After my contribution is done, I'm hoping to bang this out as quick as possible to get it to the next person, because we're hoping to get this build out by World Day of Puppetry. Then it's going to go to Pasha Romanowski, who is Project Puppet, next. So, who knows? Lots of possibilities. It's exciting to see where this thing will go. It can be anything at this point. There's so many ideas in my brain, and I'm sure so many others in everybody else. So we'll have to see where things go. But thanks, everybody. See you soon.